Hey guys, what's up? I'm back for a minute. There's something that I thought might be kind of useful that I wanted to share really quick about something that's pretty common as far as braking in Audis, especially older ones, B5 platform Audis, as the windows braking on you. And in my situation, it's broken on me like right as soon as I'm about to get to work. Every time a window's broken, and they all have broken at some point. But it's super frustrating. Like, you're supposed to be working on the clock or whatever. We don't live in a super sketchy area, obviously, but sketchy enough that I don't want my window all the way down all day. Leather seats or whatever just kind of is a pain in the ass. So I'll show you guys how I've rigged it up to keep my window up until I'm able to fix it. That way people aren't just going through my stuff while I'm not attending to my car. I've done this a few times now, and it seems to hold it up pretty good. I mean, it's raining right now, but as you can see, I'm trying to push up on the window. It's not going anywhere. It doesn't really go up or down. This you could probably do without, because I just had one of these left over from when I did the front window. Didn't know where to put it. But I've got this 3M, these command strips that have the hooks on them. You can use these little suction cup things too. But basically, if you put one in this corner, even the hook is enough so that if your window falls down a little bit, it's gonna catch right there and keep it from going all the way down, which is especially nice since it rained last night. I folded up a little piece of paper and tucked it into that one to kind of leverage it up a little bit. And this weekend, I'm gonna take off this door panel and probably the door frame, get a riveter and rivet in this new window regulator that I got. But that's a huge pain in the butt. Trying to figure that out. And command strips have worked the best for me in a pinch to just keep the window up till I have time to work on it. So if you guys haven't thought of that yet, or if your window's just broke on you and you need a way to keep it up, I'd maybe try it out. Use something like a command strip if you don't have access to it immediately. And this weekend I'll post a video on how to fix the actual window itself. We'll go through an oil change, oil filter change, and all that too while we're at it. So yeah, sorry if your window broke, dudes. Have a good day. Get it up, keep it up.